Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to star or favorite important messages in WhatsApp. So let's open WhatsApp application, and you want to go to message that you want to star, and then let's long press this message and you will see a star icon at the very top of the screen. Let's tap this icon, and then once start you'll see tiny star icon next to the timestamp on that message. So that is basically it. And how to find your starred messages later. So you want to open the group chat or individual chat where that starred message was, and then you want to tap group name at the very top of your screen, and let's go to section start messages, and you will see a list of them. So that is basically how it works. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.